What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video is going to be about pocket options. Okay, so we're going to go for the live trading. So this is my demo account for now. So I'm going to warm up. Let's see how the market is going to react. And if all goes well, if the strategy keeps on working, we are going to flick to the real cash and we're going to um, try to make some dough from there. Okay, so let's see how this trade is going to play out. Okay, seems like we are in a big downtrend, so I believe this is going to be a reverse and it's going down. That's why I press lower. Okay, so I just pressed betted 1% from my investment, okay, from my demo account. Let's see how it's going to play out. So we got 30 seconds to go, and hopefully this is going to be a win. All right, so it seems like it's going up, it's reversing. And yeah, I don't think this is going to be a profitable one. So we cannot roll over. I was thinking about rolling over, but he's not going to be able to roll over no more. All right, so this one, it's a loss. So we're going to increase and let's see if we can make some out of it. But, it's going up, so let's keep this one. Let's look for a new entry. Okay. This one is going down, down, down. We are a bit late for this one, according to my strategy. So we're going to leave that one alone. This one is also going down. Not much movement around here. So we're going to skip it for now. Let's see Facebook. Um, it's already down. This one is uptrend. Okay, this one seems to be a good one. So let's see if we can catch a little bit lower. Okay, right there. Right. So let's see how it's going to play out. So the next play, if I lose this trade, it's going to be 6%. So hopefully the price will come up all the way here. And if it comes all the way here, it's going to be a good trade, right? Well, let's see how it goes. Okay, so we got 44 seconds to go, 40 seconds to go. Okay, steady creeping up, which is good. I still haven't figured out the rollover, so I need to practice the rollover to see what happens. So my next trades, I'm gonna hit rollover to see what's the deal with rollover. So double up is if you want to double your trade, you will add another trade where the price level is. So that means you will have two trades of 56.43 in this case, okay? Okay, 5 seconds to go, and seems like this one is going to be a profit. Boom, right there. Okay, so I'm going to go for two more trades. This is just a warm up and to test the markets, test my strategy, see if it works. And excuse me, if it works, then I will then flick it to real money and use my real funds. Okay, seems like this one is losing momentum, as you can see right there, top. Okay, and now it's just the time. It's just trying to find a perfect timing. Okay, that's the $1 million question. Okay, finding the good timing to enter. Okay, so yeah, I don't think it's gonna go any higher than this. Hopefully not. Hopefully it's gonna be a little pullback all the way here, and then from there we're gonna try to take advantage of it. Okay. So like I said to you on the previous video, this is just a waiting game. You gotta be patient and wait for the right moment to strike. Okay. Because sometimes we rush into making trades, and then when we rush, that's when we lose the trades. Okay, so we can see the candle right there, and usually this candle right here shows a change in direction, as you can see right there. So I'm just waiting for the candle to pull back a little bit so I can catch a better entry right there. Okay, and seems like he's gonna switch. Okay, so if I'm right, this candle, we're gonna start seeing more red candles, and we're gonna make a profit on this trade. So let me try the rollover over here, and let's see what's up. So I hit rollover, but I really don't understand what the rollover means. So that's why I'm practicing the rollover with the demo account so I can figure out how it works. Okay. So for the rollover, I really don't get it. But anyway, as you can see right here, seems like we picked a good timing, a good entry. So we got 20 seconds to go, and it's going into our favor, and feels like it's going to go down a little bit more. Yes, so we got 13 seconds, and if you win, we're gonna make 21.24 profit. Okay, and 1 second, and boom, that's a win. Okay, we won that trade. So we're gonna go for one more trade, and excuse me, if I win that trade, then we're gonna flick it to real funds, so we can try to make some money here. Okay, this one seems like it's gonna go down. Let me see. We missed the entry right here. But yeah, it's losing momentum, but it's not going any lower than here. So it might be just a small pullback like it did over here. So it's a risky one. So I'm gonna skip this one. Let's go over to the next one. Okay, this one seems like it's gonna go down. Yep, we're gonna enter right here. Yeah, feels like this one is reversing. Hopefully we're gonna have a little pullback up to here, and then from there we are gonna get that profit. Okay, so I'm gonna hit rollover again. So okay, rollover, we can see the red bar right there. So if I hit rollover, the expiration time is gonna be at 7:54. Okay, if not, it's gonna be 7:53. Okay, so I'm gonna hit rollover. So I hit rollover. Oh, I gotta confirm this. Okay. Oh, I didn't confirm. Okay, right, I get it now. So when you hit rollover, you gotta confirm. I didn't confirm the other time, so that's why I didn't roll over. Okay, but essentially you gotta hit rollover and you gotta confirm, and you only got a few seconds to confirm that. Okay, because rollover, I believe, is so. For example, if you need an extra time to make the trade profitable, you gotta roll over. So that means you're gonna add a little bit more funds. I think it's double the money that you invested for an extra period of time. And then if you win, you're going to win double time. But if you lose double time. Okay. So this one was a loss. It didn't go our way. Okay. So let's go over here to this one. Okay. This one is going to go our favor. So we are going to go low. So just waiting for the price to go up a little bit more there. Okay. And if it goes our way, we're going to make a profit on this one. So let me roll over this time. Okay. I rolled over, so I extended the time. So instead of, okay, yes, as you can see right here, with 2.5% is 54.79. But because I rolled over, that means I doubled my bet. Okay, so now my 54 is now 115. Okay, so and extended, the time was extended to um, double, right? So instead of 110, it was now 220. Okay, so now we got plenty of time, 1 minute and 30 seconds, and hoping that by the time the timer expires, the price will be below our entry price, okay? Because this is risky, guys. So in order to do the rollover, you got to be sure that, the price will go your favor. Otherwise, you're going to lose twice, okay? So I never use the rollover on my real account, so I'm just practicing right now. And I don't think it's worth it because you can make money, but at the same time, you can lose. Okay. So rollover, um, I would say it's good if, let's say, I enter here and the price comes over here, okay? And I know that the price is going to keep going down, okay? Keep going down, and then I can roll over, extend the time. Even if I add an extra time, I will be in profit because if it ends around here, I would be making double money uh, because I can be almost sure that the price will not go above my entry price. Okay, yeah, it makes sense that way, but you only got a few seconds. I think it's like 20 seconds or 30 seconds to select the rollover or not. Okay, so in this case, we made a good choice in regards to rollover because as you can see, the price went up, and then now it's going down, and we are 6 seconds away, and let's see if you're gonna make a win or a loss. Okay, 2 seconds, boom. Okay, and we made a profit on this one. Okay, all right, so let's go over to the real accounts. Okay, the strategy is still working, and let's see what's up. Okay, so let's flick it to 1%. Yes. All right, let's see if we can find a good entry. So this one, it cheat us. I'm not going to trade Apple to misled me. So this one is pumping, so it could pump a little bit more. Okay, we got a red candle right here. Seems like he's losing momentum. We might catch a swing on this one, but he's not pulling back too much. So I'm probably going to skip this one for now. This one already started, so we missed this one. This one is dumping, so no go zone. This one already started, so that would be a good entry. It's a bit too late to enter now. Good enter would be right here. Even though I believe it's going to keep going down a little bit more, it would be a risky trade because he might stop pumping around here, dumping around here, and we would probably lose this trade, okay? So sometimes it's best to leave it alone and move on to the next one. Be patient and wait for the next one, okay? Even though, as you can see, it's going down, we don't know how much further it will go, okay? So I'm gonna skip this one for now. And no, let's check Twitter. Twitter is pumping. Okay, Twitter is pumping. Yeah, Twitter is pumping. Would be good to catch it over here somewhere. So let's see. Yeah, I believe Twitter is gonna be a good one. So let me just try to find a little bit lower entry price. Because yeah, it seems like Twitter is gonna be a good one. Catching over here would be nice, but sometimes it's not always the case. Um, I'm hesitating too much, as you can see, and I'm missing the opportunity, right? That's the thing. Sometimes you only have split of a second to take action, because if you don't take action, so let's try it here. So if you don't take action, you then are screwed. And the rollover, as you can see right here, so we are going to, the pump is not going to be too high, so I'm not going to roll over on this one. I'm just going to leave it as it is because once it hits over here, it might reverse. And because the time is 110, um, it might be too long, okay, for this trade. So as you can see right here, rollover is about to expire. 1 second, so no more rollovers. So we got 30 seconds to go, 2 more candles. So hopefully it's going to keep going up. 2.5 right there. It's going to be our next trade if we don't have a profit on this one. So 1 more candle. Yeah, it's going up to here. Maybe 5 seconds. And boom, we made a profit. Okay, so 1%. So this one is done. So we might have a reverse. over here on this top. Excuse me, guys, I've got a cold. So there you go. So we might see a reverse over here, or we might not. Okay. But if we do, the reverse is going to be short. As you can see, the pump wasn't that much because we got in a bit late. So good entry would be around here at the bottom so you can be safe. Okay. So yeah, seems like it's reversing. So if you reverse all the way here, would be nice, but then the pump will be short. So let's try to catch. Um, oh, damn it! This thing goes really fast. Sometimes it's hard to get it. Okay. Um, if it goes up a little bit more, up to here would be nice, so I could catch that entry. So let's see if it goes. Okay, we got green candle. No, let's leave it alone. Okay, this one is 80%. Let's go back to this one. American Express keeps pumping. Boy keeps dumping. Facebook seems like it's finally reversing, but I'm not gonna enter it. Ooh, excuse me. This would be a good catch. All right. Oh, seems like we are going to have something here. Yeah, we might see a reversal here. So we might catch a trade over here, this one. Yeah, seems like it's gaining momentum. So let me catch a little bit lower. And yeah, we're going to take this trade. We had a pump. So go down a little bit more. We got a red candle right there. Let's see if this is just a fake pump or it's going to reverse to the upside. Hmm. I know. Seems like it's not gonna go up. Nah. It will reverse eventually, but it's taking some time. Okay, yeah. It's getting momentum now. And just needed to go a little bit lower so I can catch the entry. And so we are going in. A bit more, further down. Come on. There. Okay, we are in. So now we just gotta wait. Hopefully this will pump back up. And we're gonna make a profit on this one as well. So we got 50 seconds to go. Seems like it's gonna consolidate a little bit, and then from there, hopefully, it will start going back up. If not, this one is gonna be a loss, but we'll see. 30 seconds to go. Hopefully, we're gonna pump this up, and start trending up. Okay, it's gonna be a close battle. 20 seconds to go. We got one more candle. 9 seconds. 5 seconds. And boom, we got another profitable trade and go back to 1%. So yeah, feels like this one is gonna keep going up. Okay, but as you can see right here, the buyers, they're not really strong. Okay, the selling pressure is high. Okay, selling pressure is high, but feels like it's gonna continue to go up. I already took my trade, so I'm gonna leave it alone, right? Let's look for the next one. So usually that's what I do. I look for the next one and move on. So this one is dumping a little bit, so it's gonna keep going up because he's on the uptrend. So every time there's a pullback, the pullback is very short, so it could be a fake out. So I'm not gonna use it. Okay, let's have a look at currencies. Let's see what's up. What's going on with currencies? So this one, it might go up to here. It's gonna be too risky. So I'm gonna leave this one alone. Okay, this one seems like is going down. Yep. It might be a good time to take an enter. Let me catch a little bit higher so we can enter. Yeah, it's definitely going down. Go back a little bit. Up, up, up. I would like to catch it over here so we can enjoy this ride. Go back up a little bit. It's not going up. It's not going up, and we are missing our trade. As you can see right here, sometimes, you either wait or you go with the flow. As you can see, but it seems like he's losing momentum, so probably wouldn't be a profitable trade. Okay, he's losing momentum. Seems like he's going to flick to going back up now. So we're going to skip this one because the momentum is not very strong. Click this one. This one already started. That would be a good one. No. Okay, this one seems like it's reversing. Yeah, seems like this one is reversing. Let's see what the next candle will say. But at the same time, it's on a downtrend. Yeah, seems like this one is going to be a good one. So let me try to catch a little bit lower. So I can, right here. So we are in on this one, 1%, 2.5, just in case we need it. Hopefully we won't need a 2.5, okay? Okay, it's not going our favor, but we still have 40 seconds. He has to keep going up because if he keeps going down, it's not going to be a profitable trade, as we already know. But let's see. Let's see what happens. See, sometimes you just gotta wait a little bit longer, right? So you just gotta wait a little bit longer to, make your move. So if I waited a little bit longer, I would catch this red candle, and I would be like, nah, let me not go in. Okay, but this one is going to be a loss. Okay, so we didn't win that trade. So let's go and look for another one. Okay, this one is pumping. Already too late. Already too late. This one already too late. The dump is over. This one had a big dump. So no, no. Let me see this one. No, let's go over to stocks again. And we already missed this one. But I feel like it's gonna keep going down. I feel like it's gonna keep going down. Or maybe not. Maybe not. This is Apple. So we're gonna flick to the next one. So I'm gonna take two more trades and I'm gonna wrap this video up. Okay, seems like this one is finally going down. So we're gonna take a lower position right here. American Express. Yes, seems like it's slowly going down. So yeah, hopefully this one is gonna be a profitable one. So I'm gonna try to hit rollover and well, I'm using 2.5%, so I don't want to risk too much, you see, because my account is not that big. So I don't want to risk it too much. So probably when it's 1%, I will roll over. Okay, so far so good. So we got 27 seconds to go. And yeah, if we win this one, we're gonna make 275. 17 seconds. And yeah, feels like it's gonna keep going down. 8 seconds to go. And yeah, we got this one. A rollover probably would be good because as far as I can see, it's gonna keep going down. All right. But you never know because rolling over is going to be adding an extra 1 minute and 10 seconds. Okay. But yeah, I feel like I probably would try the rollover with 1% because 2%, 2.5% is going to be 1.5, 5% if I do a rollover. And it's a bit of a gamble, really. So I don't want to gamble that much. Right. So that one is done. So I'm going to do one more trade and hopefully a profitable one. And we're going to wrap up for today. Oh, this one is actually, after the big dump, I'm always skeptical to take a trade. So I'm going to leave Facebook alone. Let's go to X. Oh, X is doing, this would be a nice one. But, never mind. We are a bit too late. So Alibaba. Alibaba is pumping. Netflix. Netflix, the payout is a little bit less, 87%. This one is pumping good. Amazon, already over. Microsoft. Microsoft sometimes it does good pumps and dumps. Okay, Microsoft right here. Hmm. Seems like I feel like if Microsoft it will go down. But sometimes it has these mini dumps and it might be the case. Okay, it has some mini dumps, it might be the case, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. Okay, let's go back. I always try to uh, get the big payouts. Okay, seems like Apple is gonna go back up. So let's try to catch it right here so we can be on the safe side, or at least try to be on the safe side. Because yeah, it feels like this one is gonna be a good trade. So let's try to get a little bit lower, a little bit more. And yeah, if we catch a little bit lower, we will be fine. But seems like it is losing momentum because this bar here is bigger than the next one. So feels like it's gonna go a little bit lower before it goes higher. Okay. And we're missing our chance. And seems like the boat is sailing. That's the thing, guys. You gotta be fast with this thing. You gotta be fast and quick to make quick decisions. Otherwise, you're just going to miss that trade. And as you can see right here, that would be a profitable trade. So, but I was hoping to get a bit low, a bit cheaper, and that time never came, and now it's gone. Okay. But seems like, on the other hand, seems like the buyers are not strong enough because, as you can see, sellers are pushing the price down, and it would be a risky trade. It would be a risky trade. So let's say if our entry price was here, it would be a risky trade. Okay, that's for sure. But I have a sense that it's going to keep going up. Okay, there you go. There you go. So we got the confirmation right there. Okay, so that would be a nice trade. That would be a nice trade. So that's what you get for hesitating. All right. So you just got to go with the flow. So that's why people say when you trade, leave your emotions aside. Right. Because otherwise, you're just going to be like, should I go? Should I not? Okay, we missed that one. That was a good one, but never mind. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, so this one seems like it's starting to reverse. Yes, seems like it's starting to reverse. I'm going to wait for a few more um, candles because it's on a steep incline. So I gotta wait for the confirmation to make sure that, this one is going to go our favor. Okay, but yeah, feels like it's going to. So I'm gonna enter here. Yes, hopefully it's gonna reverse pull back a little bit. Okay, that's all I want. A little bit, a little pullback. And this time I'm gonna see if I can roll over. I'm gonna try to roll over. Hopefully rollover is gonna be in our favor. So rollover, you got 30 seconds to decide. In my case, okay, and it's not going in our favor. So for now, it seems like it's going to pump a little bit more. So it's not a good time to do a rollover. So yeah, this one seems like it's gonna go against us. And yeah, that one, this one seems like it's gonna be a loss. So 15 seconds to go. We are far away. No, I don't think so. 10 seconds. Probably take a lower entry here. But because it's pumping too much, I don't want to risk it. Okay, we're gonna skip this one. Let's look for another one. Facebook is finally pumping. Pfizer, Twitter. Okay, seems like Twitter is reversing. We had a fake pump over here. Alibaba. So we're just gonna take one more trade, guys. One more trade, and I'm gonna wrap this video up, wrap this session up, and go about my business. Okay, we got the Boeing right here, so he's losing the momentum. We might see, we might find an opportunity to go lower on this one, or maybe not. So time will tell. So it keeps going up and up. So yeah, no. It's gonna take some time to see the reverse, so I'm gonna skip it. Pfizer, this is not a good one because it's chopping. It's risky. X is going down. Let's go over to currencies. We just need to find a good one, this one, and that's it. Okay, so top, top, top. But the reverse is small, so no. Okay. All right, what's going on? Okay, right. So this one might be a good one. Or maybe not. It keeps going up. So never mind. Right, so this one seems like it's about to start to go down. So this one might be a good one, but you know, the dumps, they're not really that strong. Or maybe not. It keeps going up, so everything is going up. So no, forget about it. This one had a good pump. Had a mini pullback. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, seems like this one is gonna be a reverse. It dipped over here at the bottom, and now seems like it's gonna change direction. But we still have to wait a few more candles to wait for the confirmation. So I'm gonna just keep it. What's this one doing? This one is a bit tricky. Too choppy. Too choppy. Okay. No, no, no. Let's go back to stocks. Let's see what's up. As you can see, boom. We missed our shot right here. And there you have it, guys. That's what you get for not taking the opportunity when it comes. So Apple, if it keeps on pumping, it might pump all the way to here or here. All right, but we can see a bullish trend. And yeah, feels like it's going to go all the way here. Or maybe not. But we definitely missed a good opportunity right there. Sucks. So, Boeing Company, seems like we're gonna have a trend reversal sometime, but not anytime soon. So probably in about, there you go, probably faster than we think. Okay, I feel like this one is gonna be a good one. Just waiting for a few more candles. Okay, looks good so far. So let's see how this candle is gonna close. And then based on that, we're gonna make our decision. Okay, see me is losing momentum, as you can see right here. It's losing momentum. So candles are getting weaker. So let's hope that, you know, we're gonna start seeing more red candles and we're gonna make our trade. Yeah, sellers are definitely trying to push it down. Okay, that's it. Maybe. Yeah, I'm gonna take this trade right here. So let's see what happens. Yeah, I believe this one is gonna be a pullback. So, because sellers are really pushing and buyers are also pushing, so it's a battle here. So if you win this one, it's gonna be a tough one, a close one. Okay, seems like he's gonna go against us. But yeah, 30 seconds to go. Big battle here. 15 seconds to go. So sellers are applying pressure now. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. So this situation would be a good situation to apply the rollover, and that was a profitable trade. And yeah, so we're gonna wrap this video up, guys. 40-minute session, live trades. Well, three demos. I think it was 3 demos. Demo trades, just to test it out, warm it up, and yeah, after that we went live and we made some bucks. So that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.